Hey y'all, Nickie right here in a minute. I took the cover off my phone, so it's a little slippery. But anyway, I'm going to make some stuffed avocado. My avocado is a little soft right now, but it'll still work. So I'm going to take the seeds out. I wasn't ready, as you can see. Did not get everything ready. I just was like, oh, let me shoot the video. So I'm going to take a spoon and take the inside of the avocado out. I'm going to do this one. And now I'm going to put my walnut meat on there. And I did mix some onions in it earlier and let it sit in the refrigerator. So I'm just going to sit that on top. A scoop. A scoopity scoop. Oop. I should have chopped the bottom off, but I didn't. Now I'm going to put some pepper. And there's what they look like. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Mm. Look, it's falling apart. I feel good. Mm. That's really good. So, my stuffed avocados with walnut meat. I hope that was helpful. If you decided to give it a try, I hope you enjoy. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.